it's Cakey! Today, we are doing a little bit of slime reviews. I have Karina Garcia's breakfast slime pack and Guava Juice's breakfast slime pack as well. We're gonna see if these are anything like the foods in here. Guava Juice has maple syrup and blueberries, and Karina Garcia has coffee and cinnamon donut. Today, we start with this one first. Y'all, I think I might need a knife or some scissors. But if you use either one of those, you have to be careful because you can cut yourself, and that is not what you want. Trust. The first one, and we have the second one. Pop that open. Ooh, that smells really sweet, like breakfast maple syrup. Here's how it looks. This feels really good. Y'all, maple syrup one. There we go. It smells just like maple syrup. Y'all, this is so pretty. Yes. I will say, I wish this slime was a little bit more gooey. But we're gonna put it on some pancakes and see if this is just like, if it looks anything like the real thing. Here are my pancakes. I just made them. I don't like pancakes. I like waffles. See what it looks like with the slime. Y'all, this is sticking to the pancake. The real stuff, the real syrup and blueberries. Let's try this out. I love syrup. I'm gonna throw some blueberries. That's enough. Cake with real syrup and blueberries, and this is the slime one with the syrup and blueberries. I think the syrup on the fake pancake looks real because this one just soaked up all the syrup. I really like how fragrant these slimes are. It's not like your normal, you know, how you get like a slime and it's like, oh, it's scented and it just tastes like something. Taste! Do not eat this! It just smells. It smells like something generic. But these ones smell pretty good. Let's try Karina Garcia. Okay, so the flavors in this one is coffee and cinnamon donut. Okay. Coffee. Cinnamon donut. Ooh, this one has little things on the bottom. Okay, so I went to Starbucks this morning and they didn't really have cinnamon donuts, but they did have this old-fashioned glazed donut that we can compare. It smells so good. And we got a black coffee, which I don't like coffee, so. Okay, so this is cinnamon donut. A donut smells like that peppermint stuff you get at Christmas time. And here's the little sprinkles. Let's form this into a donut. Donut. Y'all know this is how they look when you get them at the store. Let's take a part of you and stick you on the donut. All right, and last but not least, we have this coffee. Ooh, y'all, this one opened up kind of gritty. Wow, it's like busting out the pack. And this one smells really strong, like it smells just like coffee. Like a really strong bean flavor. Oh, this one has a little thing in here too. Okay, so it's got like the little coffee foam in here. I'm gonna put this in a cup. Hopefully it looks like coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and say these slimes are pretty legit. I'm gonna say also that I like Karina Garcia's better because it came with like little pieces in the slime, and like both of them just smell really, really good. So either way, you're gonna have a good time. Go ahead and say the coffee one is my favorite, followed by the syrup one. Cause shoot, this looks more like syrup. Excuse me, ma'am. It looks more like syrup than the syrup looks syrup. Like I spilled the coffee. Let's make blueberry cinnamon donut. I'm gonna mix these two together. Got some blueberry. Got some cinnamon. Pineapple, man. The color's kind of nasty, isn't it? Yeah, it's kind of gross. But together they smell so good. Look at all those little seeds in there. The coffee and the donut mixed together. Ooh, it's like a candy cane. No, this looks like one of those little dog treat biscuits, the ones that are all twisted. Okay, now we're gonna put coffee and maple syrup together. It's so pretty. It's like a golden booger. Wow. It smells like Starbucks though. It smells like, not just because I have it here, because it really smells like coffee. The coffee in the coffee just because I can. And I don't think I'm gonna do anything else with this stuff, so coffee in my cup and slime.
This smells really nasty. Like it's so slippery.
Last but not least, we're gonna put our maple syrup in the maple syrup. I'm just gonna reuse this coffee thing, cause who's gonna do dishes? Oh, me. Ooh. Look how golden that is. Y'all, I'm just enhancing the flavor. That's all this is. Wow, this is really sticky and slippery. Okay, so my hands are super nasty. I don't know if they have other flavors of slime out. If they do, I would love to play with them. I bet they smell so good. Y'all, like, it smells like real food up in here. If I ever get big like either of them, I would love to have like my own slime. I think the flavors I would do is like banana and then like, ooh, dragon fruit with the little seeds. Y'all, I'm onto something. This is all of them mixed together. Ah! This is so nasty. Like, all mixed together, the smell that you really smell is just the coffee. And like slight blueberries. If you enjoyed this little slime review, please like and subscribe. And I will see you lovelies in the next video.